Priyanka and I lead the business at Static. Static is building India's largest EV network, right? And we started in the year 2019. We've been incubated by Y Combinator and have recently received funding from Shell, about 25 million. And the idea is to sort of utilize the fund and increase the network and make the network wide as well as dense. So what we've done is, depending on the requirement, right, we have segmented our business, right, basis the kind of products that we have, right. We are dealing into residential societies, we are dealing into commercial sites, we are covering hotel chains, hospitals, etc. Just to quote an example, there's a very interesting product that we have launched. It's called an AdPod. It's a 22 kilowatt AC charger, has 2 guns and 2 sockets, and can charge 4 vehicles at one point in time. What we've done is that we understood the fact that the adoption has to come from home. EV adoption has to come from home, so we have segmented residential societies, and we understand that the amount of investment might not happen through the RWAs, and hence we have recently launched this product where we are giving the asset free, right, and it will be cost to cost charging, but the revenue generation will happen through the advertisement that will be running on the screen, right. So we keep innovating depending on what the requirement is, what is the business requirement, how we can increase the EV adoption. So I feel that innovation is our USP. We have a range of products. We have a DC charger, we have an AC charger, we have like 3 AC chargers. We are also coming up with 120 kilowatt DC charger. The reason why we are different is because we just not build the hardware, we also build our software, right. So connecting the hardware and software makes us different, and that is why we are different that is the statement that we have, right. Apart from that, like I mentioned, everything is in-house. Our R&D team is in-house, our production team is in-house. So we are working as a collective project, right, and we are trying to build the best kind of chargers and build the best kind of network across India. So that is what is making us different, but at the same time we're also doing a lot of partnerships, right. We want to be open to partner, we want to be there, and not just this, we're also in the process of aggregation, which typically means that bringing all the CPOs under one single platform and make the app even more diverse, the one which we have already, right, so that people do not have to do multiple downloads, they'll do just single download and find all the chargers across India. Typically, like I mentioned, innovation is the key. We have come up with AdPod, where we will sort of bring at least 4 to 5 chargers in each societies, right, so that we promote the EV adoption. Apart from that, partnership is something that we are really focusing on, partnering with OEMs, partnering with clients, all of it, so that we don't leave any loophole. We want to cover in and out, all 360 degrees, something that we want to cover, and I think we will be able to achieve that. But at the same time, what we want to do is, like I mentioned, we are majorly in the north, and we have a very dense network here. The idea is to make the network denser in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and yeah, so go that way. So yes, there is. But our production team is really working on that. We've been figuring out multiple options. Right now, we are building earlier we were buying chargers, but now we're building all our chargers in-house, which is DC, AC, all of it. So yeah, production team is working on it. The idea is to have at least 1,000 chargers installed by year end, which is just DC chargers. So that portion has already been taken care of. Going forward over and above whatever charger installation that we have to do, that we will figure it out in the future. So in terms of dealership, NCR is something that we are personally taking care of. However, for Maharashtra, Karnataka, we're building the network, and the idea is to do that way. We have a dedicated team who deals into just dealership. So in terms of selling, we want to go through the dealership model itself, at least in the other cities where we are not present as on date. But we are also expanding our team across Bombay and Bangalore, for that matter. As of now, it's happening offline, because the products as such, it cannot happen online. There is a simple product which is a 3.3 kilowatt smart charger that we are doing it online, and the idea is to do it online as well. But right now we are selling it more through dealers, offline partnership, and the idea is to do that, not make it hybrid.